Really looking like no. Oh, maybe. It's there. So, I don't know if you can see that. There's a pretty bad kink right there, so that's not going to pan out for me like I hoped. So, come up with a different plan. Maybe just cut it down a bit. Nope, that made it even worse. I mean, elbows. So this is a little exhaust vent piece from the Keurig. It went up and pointed down the tank, but they're nice little silicon 90-degree elbows. And I think as long as I don't slide this all the way in, that will let me connect from here, like that, into that guy. And I think I want to cut off right about there. And just another example of some weird little piece of tubing or whatever I took out of something that I thought I'd never ever have a use for, and well, I have a use for it now. Cut this a little shorter. So sometimes it does pay to hold on to some of the more weird little bits and pieces for things like this. Okay, on the exhaust side, I want to use this valve again. Now, I could use that same trick. That doesn't fit very well. So I wonder if I can do... I think I'll just do it like that. Where's the good tubing? Not good, not good. This heavier walled silicon tubing tends not to kink as much, I've noticed. So I'm going to try that for this valve. Let's see if I can make that work.